Go your top shoulder. Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Howell. I am Atlanta Mobile Chiropractor, and we are with Maya.
Hello.
And Trish is in the background. So today we are here to show you that chiropractic care isn't just for someone who has been in an injury or actual slip and falls.
Right.
Right, not the little slips, but and just to see if you are someone who wants to get adjusted on a regular basis and the importance of it, you don't have to be in pain, and it's best to have your body aligned to prevent those neck pains and back pains. So today we're going to go ahead and get started, just a few exams, and then we'll go ahead and go with it.
Trish, what's the next
So you DJ, huh?
Yes.
Where do you DJ?
Miami. And I do weekends. Like festival weekends.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How long you been doing that?
I've been DJing for like 20 something years. And doing the events. Well, the one in Miami I've been doing, this will be my 14th year.
Mm-hmm.
And in New York will be my 7th or 8th. And then the things I do here will be my 7th year.
That's what's up.
Thank you.
How'd you get into it?
I've been doing music since elementary. I played the viola, and then by the time I got to high school,
Hold on, wait. You say you played what?
the viola,
I don't know what that is.
like a violin,
Okay,
but it's bigger and it has a lower string, a deeper string.
but it's smaller than a cello.
Yes, it still goes on your neck.
Okay.
And then from there, in my orchestra in high school, I met some guys that were DJs, and I wanted to do it too. So I went, told my mom, she bought the equipment, and yeah.
It's nice that she was really supportive of it.
Mm-hmm.
You never know where it's gonna go. So my thing is just let them do it, see where it goes.
Yeah.
Make sure you keep the receipts.
Yeah.
Being like Alicia Keys, she didn't have a piano, she had a little bitty little thing that somebody just gave her a piano and it was over with.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love it.
Okay. Alright. You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because you definitely do have a short right leg.
Uh-oh.
Want to see?
You said that on camera.
But she has to stand up. You have to stand up. You see it? Oh, yeah. Just only about that much.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
You just embarrassed me.
You've been lopsided this whole time.
Right.
Now you want to come look? It's like magic.
You stretch. Am I going to be taller? Because
I don't know. We about to find out.
I love that.
Says all the short people in the room. Right. So through this process, what I'm doing is we have 3 segments we want to level out. It's the sacrum that connects to tailbone, and then your 2 hip joints. So you'll see, like right now, this leg looks longer than that one. So that's just the body's response to the different things that I'm doing to it. See how this one's still long? All right. All right, scoot your hips a little closer. You're not gonna fall. I promise. You're not gonna fall.
Look, I got real uptight.
Right. Cross your arms across your chest. You're gonna look that way. Okay. I'm gonna give you a pull right here, okay? Drop that shoulder. You're not gonna fall. You're not gonna fall. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go. One more time. All the way out. Let it go.
No, you didn't tell me.
We're gonna pull right here. We're gonna push right here. All right, so this time we're gonna pull right here.
Okay.
We're gonna push right here. Cover your top shoulder. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go.
Ooh. Ooh.
You okay?
Ooh.
You can lay on your stomach whenever you're ready.
Jesus.
On your stomach. She's like stretching the toes.
Uh-oh, sorry.
No, you good. Little pull here. Good. They're even. Squeeze my head.
I'm weak now.
You weak now? Lift this leg up off the table. Hey, and then the other one.
Okay. I felt the difference.
All right, so this next one.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna take a deep breath in,
Wait. Okay.
and then when you blow all the way out, you're gonna feel a little pressure right here. Okay?
Because of you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna apply a little bit of pressure here. Once you breathe out, just make sure you breathe all of your air out. Don't hold it.
Okay.
All right. Ready?
You want
Deep
me?
breath in. Yep, all the way out. Drop your chest, drop your shoulders, let it go.
Oh. Wait a minute. Oh.
I'm not going yet.
Okay. Ooh.
Just feeling.
Phew.
All right, so for this next one,
Okay. What I gotta
you're gonna
do?
do the same thing. You're gonna take a deep breath in all the way out, but I'm gonna put my hand. That's my foot. You know.
Okay,
Right?
sorry.
I'm gonna need my foot back.
Sorry.
Grab my foot like this. All right, so we're not gonna. I'm just gonna position you. You're gonna put your head back and over. Let that cheekbone fall right there. Drop the shoulder. So you're gonna feel pressure on this hand and this hand. Deep breath in, all the way out. Let's let it go.
Oh. Oh.
I'm just
Oh. Ah. That was cracking. Whew.
checking. Good.
Yes.
All right, same thing back.
Ooh.
And
Okay.
drop it. Let that cheekbone fall right there. Give me that shoulder. You good? You
Yes.
in? All the way out.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. That was good.
Whenever you're ready, lay on your back. Chest, stomach, wherever. When you DJ, do you hold your
Sure
head?
do. Often it'll be like this.
Don't worry about that. Just drop your head. That's it. Drop that shoulder for me. Yep.
Oh. Oh.
That was your first rib.
Who?
Your first rib.
My rib?
Yes. The first one. The top one.
What'd you do?
It was up in your neck, girl. You being like,
Yeah, I'm always like that. Oh Lord.
all right, you ready? Let this ear follow my hand. Drop that shoulder. Relax the shoulder.
Ooh.
Ninja. Frog pose.
Oh. Ooh.
You all right?
I think a tear came out.
Good? All right. See where you move? She's so excited. I'm just feeling the ear. That's it. Just getting to know the ear. All right, let it fall towards me.
Oh, okay.
You ready?
Yes.
There you go.
Okay.
Trying to hold your composure this time. Alright, so for this next one, you're going to take your fingers and you're going to interlace them behind your head. Yep. My arms are going to come through here, okay? Huh?
I like this one.
You like this one? Go ahead and scoot back. Right there's good. My arms are coming through here, okay?
Okay.
Alright, you want to follow me? Relax, let it go. You're going to take a deep breath in. Big stretch. Let's go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. One more time, deep breath in. Let it all go. Good stretch. Look up to the ceiling for me.
Oh, that was good. Oh, that's gonna be good on your video.
She like, I like this one. I like this one. Alright, so now you just lay on your back, head here, and we'll finish everything else up. We'll start from the feet and work our way up. Whenever you're ready.
This is wonderful. I'm just taking it all in.
Well, you take your time.
Whew, I feel like I'm breathing a little bit better.
It's that first rib that was in your neck. That's what it was.
You for real?
Yeah.
My rib was in my neck.
I mean, don't start scaring everybody. Give me a Peter Pan stance. Well, you sit down. But then you're gonna bring your elbows back just a little bit.
Ooh.
Right. You can bring them back right here. I want you to keep it here, okay? I am on 3. I'm gonna move it forward like that. But I want you to keep it right here.
Okay.
All right.
Am I fighting you?
Oh, you just keep it in that position.
Okay.
Just hold it right there, okay?
Whoop.
Go. A little bit further back. Keep it right there. Just hold it. Hold it.
Ooh.
There we go. She like, woo. All right. Stand up, walk around, see how you feel.